In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your payments accounts in HubSpot. Whether you're setting up for the first time or need a refresher, we've got you covered with these simple, straightforward steps to ensure everything is linked up perfectly. First, you'll want to navigate to the user guide section in HubSpot. This is a crucial resource where you'll find a wealth of information designed to help you get the most out of HubSpot's features. To get there, head over to the navigation bar at the top of your screen once you've logged into your HubSpot account. Look for a section usually labeled with resources or guides, and select User Guide from the drop-down menu. This section is your starting point, and will ensure you have all the necessary context to proceed smoothly. Once you're in the User Guide, our next task is to dive into the settings. Settings are the control center for your account, where you can adjust and fine-tune how HubSpot works for you. You can find the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. It's typically represented by a gear icon and is your gateway to customizing your HubSpot experience. Click on it and a variety of options will appear. Right here is where you can make impactful adjustments to your account. With the settings menu open, it's time to locate the payments account section. This is where you'll connect or manage your payment accounts, so it's a crucial next step in our process. You'll see several categories in your settings list. Scroll through until you find Payments Account. This option will be specifically related to the financial aspects of using HubSpot and integrating your payment systems. By clicking on the Payments Account link, you'll be taken to a page dedicated to managing the financial connections of your HubSpot account. This is where you'll enter and verify the payment account details, ensuring you have seamless transactions moving forward. It's a straightforward screen where you can add new payment methods or edit existing ones, providing flexibility and control over how payments are processed in your HubSpot account. As you proceed, HubSpot might prompt you to verify or authenticate certain details for security purposes. This is a standard procedure to ensure that your information is protected and only accessible to you. Follow any instructions provided if authentication is required, as this step is crucial for keeping your account secure. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your payments accounts in HubSpot. This setup will help streamline your financial operations and make tracking payments much more convenient. Remember, HubSpot is all about making your workflow smoother, so don't hesitate to explore further and customize your settings to best suit your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy connecting!